G'day guys, here we are at the number 29 framing bridle joint. We'll get straight into it. This time we're using a piece of 90 by 45 timber. So we'll start off with that. Grab the rectangle tool, click once at the origin, and we'll go 45, 90. Okay. Now we'll push it up by 300. 300, enter. And I just moved this out of the way somewhere. There we go. Okay, we'll start off by making it a component. Great, and let's put in the we'll put in the dimensions here for the because on this one we have to take, I guess, the two cheeks out, I guess you'd call them, in here. So we'll measure that out with the tape measure. We can see it's 105 millimeters from the bottom. There's a 90 mil gap, and they go 15 millimeters in. So from the bottom we go 105 millimeters up. And from there we go 90 millimeters, and we are 15 millimeters in. Okay, so what I can do is I can draw a rectangle from that point to that guide point, and I just got to do the exact same on the other side. So what I might do is just transfer these lines across and go 15 in from here, and draw a rectangle from there to there. Okay. Now I can push that one all the way through, double click that, do the same. Okay, so that's one part of the bridle joint done. Next thing, easiest way to do this would probably just be push that, grab a rectangle, click from there to there. We'll push this one just to the end, so it should be 90 millimeters, yep. And then what we'll do is we'll grab it again and go the 210 millimeters further, 210. There we go. Now that looks about the right size. All we gotta do now is triple click this, make it a component, and similar to the mortise and tenon, we need to double click, go into the component, and we need to remove the center part. So we can do that just with the pencil tool here and there, and we can push that center bit in just until that back edge. So it should be 90 millimeters. Yep, click there, that's done. Okay, so if we go to edit, delete guides, grab the paint can and paint them in the right colors, we should now be able to grab it, move it, and just check that it all slides together nicely. Yep, that's perfect. Okay, great work. If you followed along, well done. We'll save that. File save as number 29 framing bridle. Oops, good spell. There we go, save. Okay, file new, and next we are doing a framing dovetail halving joint. Okay, fantastic. We'll see you in the next video.